Assalamu alaikum, grade 3. I am your Islamiyat teacher, Ms. Tanzila Tariq, with lesson number 13 from unit number 3, the Holy Quran. Grade 3. As you already know that Holy Quran is the last and final book of Allah. And being Muslim, we must read and understand the Quran. It is given to our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Grade 3. Allah has completed His teachings to all the mankind in the Quran. Allah Ta'ala ने पूरी दुनिया के इंसानों को कुरान पाक के ज़रिए अपनी तालीमात सिखाई और अपनी तालीमात को मुकम्मल कर दिया। कुरान पाक के बाद कोई और होली बुक नहीं आएगी। Grade 3. It is a guide for all the people for all the times. We must try to do what Allah tells us in the Quran. Here are some important points which we must remember. Language of Quran is Arabic. It is translated in many languages. Proper recitation is called Qiraat, and those who recite it are called Qaris. The Arabic writing of Quran is called calligraphy. And grade 3, beautiful calligraphy can also be seen in mosques, museums and some important buildings. Grade 3, this is all for today, and here is your home assignment. What is the recitation of the Quran called, and what does the Quran teach us? Allah Hafiz.